In this video, I'm going to show you how to post on Facebook. To get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to open Facebook on your device and sign in to your Facebook account. And here, go ahead and head over to your profile by clicking on the menu button. Now on the menu section, go ahead and click on your profile and this will take you to your Facebook profile. And here, scroll down and you'll be able to find a what's on your mind under post. Go ahead and click on what's on your mind to be able to create a Facebook post. Now in this section, you can go ahead and enter the text that you want to post on your Facebook account. You can go ahead and select the background of your post by clicking on this section. If you want to add a background for your text post on Facebook. Now you can also add a photo for your post by clicking here. You can select from the photos available on your device. You can also tag individuals on your post by clicking on the tag icon. Now if you don't have anyone to tag, you can also add how you're feeling. You can also add your location. You can allow Facebook to access your location for more accurate location for your photo. And that's basically all that you can do for this. Now you can add this photo to an album. You can create a new album and name that album depending on your preference and save it. You can also share this post on Instagram by enabling this and heading back to your post because that's basically it if you want to share it to your Instagram profile. And click on the post button to be able to post this on your Facebook account and your Instagram account. And that's how you can create a post on Facebook. Thank you so much for watching and we'll see you in the next video.